Hello, crypto fans. Welcome to this episode of the Flipside, DailyCoin TV's daily rundown of the 5 top stories. I'm flying solo today as my colleague Martynas is busy interviewing another big name in the crypto space for you. Stay tuned for that video. In the meantime, let's flip on in. Polygon is going to step up its gaming, forming a DAO. CEO and co-founder of Polygon announced that they're going to build a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO for short, in order to bring 100 million users into the ecosystem. Polygon is an Ethereum scaling solution. It's one of the biggest by market cap. On the flip side, it seems that Polygon is trying to build its own version of ETH 2.0. While Polygon was built to run on Ethereum blockchain, its side chains, can work with any blockchain tech, and bringing 100 million users into the space, that's great news. Next up, OnlyFans plans to ban adult material. Edward Snowden says Bitcoin can save those features. Developers of the adult site OnlyFans announced plans to quit allowing pornographic material on the site because of pressure from banking partners and payment providers. Although it's not their main focus, the platform became popular because it allowed creators to share exclusive, explicit content with their users. Journalist Edward Snowden, he's tweeted his proposal for using Bitcoin to keep these purposes in place. On the flip side, honestly, this is not a use case that I support. Crypto has enough PR perception problems regarding drug dealers, money laundering, ransomware attacks, environmental issues. It doesn't need more controversy. It doesn't need to get in bed with big porn. Next up, Cardano's new all-time high and other big movers. Cardano has made another pump. It reached $2.54 as a new all-time high. Woot woot. The third largest crypto, it's increased 21% in 24 hours. Also, the graph, they pumped 20% in 24 hours. Another big new mover, even though it's not a big name, is Swiss Borg. It jumped almost 35% in the overnight. The flip side, these are all positive signals for the space. Love seeing Cardano hitting higher highs. To the moon, I say. Next up, Andreessen Horowitz is investing in pay-to-earn gaming. Venture capital legend Andreessen Horowitz is investing in the play-to-earn gaming space. His company, A167, led a $4.6 million funding round for Yield Guild Games. Why don't they name these things so we can at least say them? Anyways, Yield Guild Games, YGG for short, is a Philippines-based decentralized autonomous organization for investing in NFTs used in virtual worlds and blockchain-based games. A16Z believes that NFT-based play-to-earn games are the next major innovation in gaming, and I agree. The play-to-earn model gives gamers ownership of in-game assets and allows them to trade and earn money along the side. On the flip side, gaming is a massive on-ramp into the crypto sphere. Seeing a proven investor such as Horowitz moving into the space, it's just another proof point for the validation of cryptocurrency. And finally, NFT news, we've got a confirmation, Lionel Messi, Mike Tyson, all of the above. One confirmation, the investment firm supported by Mark Cuban announced an investment in NFT project called Catalog. Catalog aims to serve a specific corner of the NFT market, independent music artists. This project has raised $2.2 million so far. Argentine soccer star Lionel Messi, he's launched his own collection of NFT crypto art created with his image by digital artist Boss Logic. Those go on sale today. Boxing legend Mike Tyson has dropped a series of tokenized collectibles. Teaming up with artist Corey Van Loo, Iron Mike launched the Mike Tyson NFT collection, consisting of 11 one-of-a-kind NFTs for the auction and 6 open-end editions of NFTs, ranging in 50 to 250 copies. On the flip side, all I can say is it's kind of nice talking about NFTs and celebrities whose last name does not end in Kardashian. Remember Kim tweeting about ETH Max? Well, hey, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode of The Flip Side.